Hello, hello, hello. There we go. All right, family, welcome back to Building for Generations. I'm your boy Dudley Do Right. Sorry, I've been MIA dealing with landlord stuff and just adult life. Everybody can contest adult life. Adult life is not easy. So I've been neglecting doing my Sunday fun days and being with you guys and sharing my progress with you guys and sharing what Dudley Accounting Services is doing to help our community and help people, really do more in this life. So today is August the 8th, 2021. So what are you doing to make your dreams reality today? And we always say, without commitment, you will never start. Most importantly, without consistency, you will never finish. So I'm here eating my words right now, being consistent, coming to you every Sunday at 8 p.m. We're right here with our Sunday fun days. So today we want to definitely recognize our little motto that we say, being too cautious is the greatest risk of all. Being too cautious is the greatest of all. You guys got to live to do more now. Our new focus for today is, drum roll, SBA. Everybody loves the SBA money. People got the EIDL grant and loan. And people were going crazy during COVID. Now we have the SBA 7A program, which I'm going to be talking to you guys about today, which is an awesome tool if you guys are starting up a business or you guys are trying to buy an existing business. It's an awesome tool that's backed by the SBA. So you're not necessarily getting money directly from the lender, from the bank. The SBA is funding the bank. So the SBA has a 7A program, which we're going to talk about today, what we need for it and how we're going to get it done, and how Dudley Accounting Services helps you establish a good accounting records, get good accounting records, and check everything off of this list that we can. So if you need funding for your startup, they're funding up to $5 million per business. $5 million per business. I don't need that much money, so I'm not applying for the 5 million. But if you need, that much money, we can. So it's for small business owners who are having a startup, who need working capital. So if you need working capital, or you need startup money, or you have an existing business, you have your eyes on it, you want to buy it, you fill out this loan. The SBA backs this loan, and it's a terrific opportunity to put money in so it can operate correctly. So if you qualify, you receive $1 million. So you're going to go over the requirements. I have my little checklist here. You guys can see my checklist that I have for you guys for the SBA program. Here, it's a little that we're going to go down, and I'm going to talk through some things with you guys, so you guys are aware of what's actually needed. So I don't want to keep you guys. Get to it, guys. Let's get to it. So first of all, on our SBA 7A loan, we have to have a borrower's information form, which is a form 1919 that you fill out here, and I can go ahead and show you guys here. So it's just a basic form here that you fill out, and we at Dudley Accounting Services help you fill this out. So you guys run into any problems or anything like that, we are here to help you all. Link to these forms down in the description below. Go ahead and click those links to access these forms. So it's just your basic business legal name, such. You guys can read. I'm not going to bore you with the stuff. We come up with the amount of loan that you're requesting, just based off your financials. And then we just kind of work with you on entering the correct things to fill out this information form. It's about 13 pages, but some of the pages are just full of like descriptions and stuff. So roughly about 6 pages of just data entry that we help you guys fill out. It's pretty easy to fill out this form and to have it completed. We help you guys out with filling out this form, and definitely if you guys have any questions about it, reach out to us, definitely. So the next thing that on our requirement list here, as we go back, our computer wants to act slow. So next thing we have on our list is a personal background. So this is only if your bank that you go to requires you to have a personal history statement. So this is basically just like who you are and like kind of what's your net worth, like how many assets do you own, how many years have you been in business, how many businesses do you operate yourself. So this helps them gain surety that they're lending to a person who's actually going to make them their money back. So this is required. So if they ask this, then we can dig deeper into the statement of personal history. But most importantly, we're moving on to our next item on the checklist, which is a business financial statement. Our clients, they do it, they have, financial statements, and they have this do-it-yourself mentality, and they kind of wait to the end of the year and reach out to us to get, financial statement to complete their tax return. We are urging you guys to get a bookkeeper in your corner, to get an accounting professional to get your financial statements in order, to create a routine to where each month you have, account reconciliations, you're having your journal, and you have good books. This comes definitely in hand. You're applying for loans and from the government, which is key here. Our business financial statements include a year-end profit and loss statement for the last 3 years. Some lenders, if you have 2 years, might take that, but they're looking for the last 3 years of your year-end profit and loss. So that's the income statement and balance sheet for the last 3 years with a detailed debt schedule. So if you have any outstanding debt, they want to know about that, and they want to know if you're up to date with that. Or they lend you money, they want to know if you have a debt schedule and that those debts are being a reconciliation of net worth. Again, it's kind of what we talked about before about the personal history. And then an interim balance sheet. So interim balance sheet is kind of like a snapshot of like right now. Like, so when we go to apply for your loan, they're going to want a snapshot of what's happening right now. And then an interim profit and loss statement, like a snapshot of what's happening right now. And then projected financial statements. This is what we come up with, a budgeted forecast. And for it, what does your business look like as far as growth? What plans do you have as far as growth? And what areas or what different clients are you planning on targeting to meet those goals? So we kind of break that down ourselves within Dudley Accounting Services and make it digestible and put it into a financial statement so it and understand it. So that's your projected financial statements. These business financial statements are key to getting these grants and getting these from the SBA. So definitely get somebody who's knowledgeable in your corner. Again, I definitely love you out, but this is definitely something that you guys need in your back pocket, in your system. You guys need a system of financial statement. As you guys know, with any or if you guys don't know, with any loan or grant that you guys are trying to apply for, you certificate, and that's that business certificate that you have, a business license that you have when you went ahead and applied to be in business. This is just a statement, a or certificate of doing, right? So when we applied for our business license and we got it, that's that form that they sent us. So that we will be submitting that. Then loan application history. So if you have any other loans that you apply for, they want to know about that. And then most importantly, another thing besides the business financial statements, you guys have to have your income tax returns done. So they're looking for income tax returns. If you guys are an LLC with the Schedule C schedule on your income tax return. So the Schedule C goes on your 1040. Your 1040 is you as a person. It's all the money that you made. Your Schedule C is your business income, and it's slapped on your 1040. So they want to see a complete income tax return from yourself and all the principals within your organization. And then moving on, we have resumes. So a quick resume of what you've done and what you're about. A business overview and history. Just what is your business about? How do you meet the needs of your clients? How do you make money? And this is all encompassing of a small business plan. So a business lease. So if you guys rent out spaces or anything like that for your business, they want to see proof that you have your lease and that you're paid up with your lease. And then additional documentation you might need if you are buying an existing business. Like me, myself, if I want to go out and buy another accounting firm and get, different accounts from a CPA who's retiring, right? I'll go and buy his business. But then those are, it's different documents that I would need from that business to just verify that they're a legit business that I'm buying, that the SBA actually wants to come and back the loan, of me purchasing that business. They want their money back. So they want to make sure that they get their money back by seeing good results, seeing a good track record on the existing businesses side. So before we get deep into this, that's why I really wanted to get to you guys and explain that is opportunity out here for us to get additional money, our businesses, and to raise capital, to get more working capital. And this loan is more flexible than other loans. You're able to invest in real estate if you want to. If you have an business that invests in real estate, go ahead. So definitely get on our calendar. And I put my website in the link below. Well, I put the link to my website in the description below. This is my first time back doing this, so I'm getting all the bugs out, but it's important that I get on here in the CC. And I don't think I suck, but it's important that I get this information out to you guys, and that you guys use me up in this life. This is what I'm here for. This is what really motivates me and fulfills me in this life, is to help you get to the next level. So get on my calendar at dudleyaccountingservices.com, or reach out, PM me. If you're on Facebook right now, shoot me a personal message. If you're on YouTube, go ahead and click the link below and go to my website and get on my calendar. And we can have a quick 10 to 15 minute conversation to figure out if this is actually worth your while to do. Go ahead and do that. And I'm here to help. We are here building for generations, helping everyday people operate and organize the business of their dreams so that they are able to leave behind a sustainable legacy for generations to come. Thank you guys. I'll see you next time. Peace.